What's up everybody, it's RR here. Who hasn't dreamt of escaping the 9-to-5 grind and becoming their own boss? Trading offers that possibility, the flexibility to work from anywhere, and the potential to build serious wealth. But let's be honest, getting started in the world of trading can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. That's why in this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know to start trading, from understanding the absolute basics to placing your first trade. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. First things first, let's break down what trading actually is. We're not talking about buying a stock and holding on to it for years like your grandma. Trading is all about capitalizing on short-term market movements, buying and selling assets like stocks, currencies, or even commodities to profit from price fluctuations. Think of it like surfing. You're catching those waves of market movement to ride them to a profit. Now, within the trading universe, you've got different styles, each with its own rhythm. Day trading is all about speed, getting in and out of trades within the same day, aiming to snag those quick profits. Then you've got swing trading, a bit more relaxed, holding trades for a few days or even weeks, riding those intermediate market swings. And if you're playing the long game, there's position trading, holding trades for weeks, months, or even longer, aiming to capitalize on those big long-term market moves. Speaking of what you're trading, let's talk about financial instruments. Stocks are like pieces of ownership in companies, like owning a tiny slice of Apple or Tesla. Forex, or foreign exchange, is where you're buying and selling currencies, trying to profit from the ever-changing values of the dollar, euro, yen, you name it. Commodities are the raw materials of the world, things like gold, oil, and agricultural products, where you can trade on supply and demand fluctuations. Alright, so you're ready to jump into the trading ring? The first step is choosing your weapon, your trading platform. This is where you'll be executing your trades, so it needs to be reliable, user-friendly, and offer the tools you need to succeed. Now there are tons of online brokers out there, each with its own bells and whistles. Some are known for their super intuitive platforms, perfect for beginners, while others cater to more experienced traders with advanced charting tools and order types. Do your research, read reviews, maybe even try out a few demo accounts. You want a platform that feels comfortable, that you understand, and that aligns with your trading style. And hey, don't forget about those pesky fees. Trading isn't free, folks. Brokers gotta make money somehow, right? So, pay close attention to commissions, account minimums, and any other hidden fees that could eat into your profits. Once you've found your perfect platform, it's time to open an account. This is usually a pretty straightforward process. You'll need to provide some personal information, verify your identity, and then fund your account. Start with an amount you're comfortable losing, especially when you're just starting out. Now, before you even think about placing a trade, you need a plan. I'm not talking about some scribbles on a napkin, but a real solid trading plan. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't just start laying bricks without a blueprint, right? Your trading plan is your roadmap to success, outlining your goals, your risk tolerance, and your trading strategy. First up, define your goals. Are you here for those quick day trading scalps? Or are you looking to build long-term wealth through swing or position trading? Your goals will dictate your entire approach to trading. Next, and arguably the most critical part, is risk management. This is where you decide how much you're willing to lose on any given trade. Set realistic stop-loss orders, which automatically exit your trades at a predetermined price, limiting your potential losses. Finally, choose a trading strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Alright, now it's time to talk about the language of the market's technical and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis is like reading the tea leaves of the charts. You're looking for patterns, trends, and signals that can give you an edge in predicting future price movements. We're talking candlestick patterns, moving averages, RSI indicators, the whole shebang. It's all about identifying those key support and resistance levels, those points where the price is likely to bounce or break. Fundamental analysis, on the other hand, is all about understanding the underlying value of an asset. For stocks, this means digging into company financials, looking at earnings reports, revenue growth, and debt levels. You're trying to determine if a company is overvalued or undervalued by the market. For currencies, you'd focus on economic indicators like interest rates, inflation, and GDP growth, which can influence the value of a currency. The key is to combine both technical and fundamental analysis to get a complete picture of the market. Together, they can help you make more informed trading decisions. Now, before you risk a single dollar of your hard-earned cash, it's time to hit the trading simulator. This is where you can practice your skills, test your strategies, and get comfortable with the trading platform, all without risking real money. Think of it like training for a marathon. You wouldn't just show up on race day without putting in the miles, right? Most brokers offer demo accounts, which are essentially virtual trading accounts loaded with fake money. You can trade real-time market data, use all the same tools and features as a live account, and see how your trades would have played out in the real world. This is your chance to experiment with different trading styles, test out those indicators you've been learning about, and see what works best for you. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become, and the better prepared you'll be when it's time to trade with real money. Okay, so you've got your trading plan in place, you've been diligently practicing in the simulator, and you're feeling confident and ready to take the plunge. It's time to execute your first real trade. Now, before you hit that buy or sell button, take a deep breath and remember all the hard work you've put in. First, do your research. Don't just jump into a trade blind. Analyze the asset you're interested in, whether it's a stock, a currency pair, or a commodity. Look at its recent price history. Check out the news and any relevant events that might impact its value. Once you've identified a potential trading opportunity, it's time to place your order. You'll need to choose the type of order, either a market order, which executes your trade at the current market price, or a limit order, which only executes your trade if the price reaches your desired level. Then, decide how much you want to trade, remembering your risk management rules. Once your order is placed, monitor your trade closely, watch how the price moves, and be prepared to adjust your stop loss or take profit orders as needed. And remember, not every trade will be a winner. The key is to learn from your mistakes, analyze what went wrong, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Here's the thing about trading. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a journey of continuous learning and adaptation. The markets are constantly evolving, new trends emerge, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. So, you need to be committed to constantly expanding your knowledge and refining your skills. Stay informed about market news and trends. Read financial news websites, follow influential traders on social media, and subscribe to industry newsletters. The more you know about what's happening in the markets, the better equipped you'll be to make informed trading decisions. Review your trades regularly. Don't just focus on your wins, analyze your losses as well. Figure out what went wrong, what you could have done differently, and how you can avoid making the same mistakes in the future. Engage with the trading community, join online forums, attend webinars, and connect with other traders. Sharing ideas, strategies, and experiences can be invaluable to your growth as a trader. Even with the best intentions, it's easy to fall into common trading traps that can sabotage your progress. So, let's shine a light on those pitfalls and arm you with the knowledge to avoid them. One of the biggest mistakes new traders make is overtrading. They get caught up in the excitement, the adrenaline rush of placing trades, and they end up trading too frequently, often without a solid plan. Remember, sometimes the best trade is no trade at all. Be patient, wait for those high-probability setups, and don't force trades just for the sake of it. Another common mistake is ignoring risk management. Traders get so focused on potential profits that they neglect to protect their downside. Remember, every trade has the potential for loss, and without proper risk management, those losses can quickly spiral out of control. Always use stop-loss orders, never risk more than you can afford to lose, and stick to your trading plan. And finally, avoid chasing losses. This is a classic emotional trap where traders try to make up for losses by making impulsive, often riskier trades. It's a recipe for disaster. If you find yourself on a losing streak, take a step back, reassess your strategy, and don't let your emotions cloud your judgment. The key is to stay disciplined, manage your risk, and never stop learning. There you have it, your crash course in trading. Remember, this is just the beginning of your trading journey. There's always more to learn, new strategies to explore, and the markets are constantly evolving. But with the knowledge you've gained from this video, you're well on your way to navigating the exciting world of trading. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more trading tips and strategies, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Now go out there and start building your trading success story.